Hello, dear friends. Welcome to this live stream today. And slightly off the track now, slightly deviating from the normal simplification live streams that I've been bringing for you. Today, we have analytical reasoning topic. Now, this is going to be very interesting, and I'm sure a lot of my friends were interested in this. And this was on the request of one of my prominent subscribers there who is participating in live streams daily. So this is a reasoning number series and odd one out live stream. A lot of things to be learned today, and this is the real test of the speed with which you can find out the rule and crack the question to get to the answer. So as I welcome Vara Prasad, Lakshay, ATM there. Okay, Sumati Saha, then Sandeep Semwal, and who else? Akshit has joined in, and then Sravan Priya. It's good evening to everybody, and Digvijay. Welcome to this live stream, and do share the link, friends. I'll give you 30 seconds to share this live link with your friends so that we can have a large audience who is getting benefited by these live streams. And in the meanwhile, I'll give you the first question also. And the first question goes like this. You have to tell me, okay, one rule for today's live stream. You have to tell me the reason also, okay? Try to pose the reason, because only the answers, it will be little difficult to know whether you got the reason correct or not. Okay. So where's the first question now? Here it is. The first question goes like this. It is 0.5. Then we have a 2. Then 4.5. 8. Then 12.5. Then 18. So you need to tell me the next number. A very easy question first up, so that you can develop that confidence of attempting these questions today. I'm sure everybody will get this one right, because it's a very basic question of number series. And let me just see who gets this one correct first up. A lot of people are expected to participate today in the live stream. And I'm sure people are waiting for this live stream of reasoning number series problems. So let's see who gets this correct. I'm just waiting for the first answer to come in. As I welcome Little Gummy 34, that is Vihan, and then Kriku hits, okay, Kumaresan, and then Parvati, and then Suguna. Everybody, welcome on the channel, and I hope this live stream is going to benefit you a great deal in all the competitive exams. So let's see who gets this one correct. Okay, some answers already flowing in. Vara Prasad is saying 25.5. Kriku hits, okay, 24.5. Then Vihan agreeing with him. And then Sumati also, the same answer. So as I share the live link with my contacts, I request you to share the live link with your contacts as well. And let's have a huge audience for this live stream. Okay, 18 plus 6.5. That's the explanation which is coming up for this one. I'll give you a different explanation also. And this is the beauty of these kind of, calculation. What you do may be different from what others are thinking in their mind. So there may be more than one rule to get to the same answer. All the same, in the multiple choice questions, you will not have that situation where you have to attempt and then you will get to a different answer as compared to the others. Okay, Ashwin also saying 24.5. The reason being posted by very less number of friends there. So I prompt everybody to post the reason. That is, I need to know what you are thinking about in the mind. Okay, so I hope you have shared the live link with your friends to enable them to join in. Okay, so let's have the solution of this one because we can't be waiting more than this for more than one for a single question. Okay, now if you watch carefully here, if you double all these numbers, you will have your answer. So just try to double these and just see whether we can get to a easier, kind of series. So just double and see, friends. Yeah, doubling will get you to the perfect squares. That is squares of natural numbers. And once we get to the squares of natural numbers, then obviously everything becomes very, very easy after that. So, okay, no more answers coming up. Okay. See, double, if you multiply this, this will become 1. If you multiply this will multiply this by 2, you get 4. Then multiply this by 2, you get 9. This by 2, you get 16. This by 2, you get 25. This by 2, you get 36. Now see the numbers 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. Isn't that, the squares of natural numbers? Yes, they are the squares of natural numbers, right? So, which is the perfect square after 36? It is 49. So, something multiplied by 40, multiplied by 2 should give you 49. And so, the answer for that question is half of 49, that is 24.5. I know there may be more than one reason why you have got that answer 24.5, but all the same, if you got to the answer 24.5, that works out. Okay. Okay, somebody doing my duty also there, announcing the name of the person. Yeah, I'm just about to name you Kariku Heads. Okay, so let's see who are the other people. If you look carefully here, we have the first correct answer, which came from Kariku Hits. I think new to the channel. Today only you have joined in for the live stream. A big thumbs up for you. And I hope you have clicked the subscribe button on the channel and the bell icon also for getting the notifications of all future uploads. I'm sure if you watch the channel, no competitive exam will be tough for you. Okay. So very well done. And then after that, we have some familiar names, Vara Prasad, and then Vihan and Sumati Saha and Digvijay and Lakshay. Okay. Ivano, I think you also got that right. 24.5 is indeed the correct answer. So well done, friends. And these were the top 5 or 6 people who gave the correct answer for that one. And I'm expecting a lot of different answers now. Okay. Yeah, Vara Prasad, little bit of reduction in the chat messages will help me out, because if you have a lot of chat messages, then it's very difficult to find out the correct answers in between them. So just cooperate a bit and let's concentrate on the live streams. So let's have the second question for today. This is 0, 7, 26, 63. A very, very easy question. 124. So you need to tell me the next one. I know the answer will come up in a flash. This is going to be very, very easy. And everybody is going to do it. Tushar will surely come. I think I gave the time of 8:15 and I'm here before time today. So some prominent viewers, they are yet to join the live stream. Mr. Divakar, Tushar and Rajshri, and these are the names. Surya, which will come up very shortly. Okay. Abhitatha is already there. Okay, 215. Someone has given the answer 215 there. I hope that answer is correct. Yeah. So Raghavendra is agreeing, and then Pardu Pavan. Okay, a lot of new names. Ashwin, everybody, please click the subscribe button. If you are new to the channel, you've not subscribed it, kindly do that and get benefited by all the videos which I've been posting over last 3 years. Okay, so 215, that's the prominent answer which I'm getting, and very, very easy question. And that's what, I just want everybody to be confident in answering. That's why I've given you. But every question will not be so easy. So you need to be careful about the coming questions. Okay, I'll just allow 30 seconds to, for others also to answer this one. After that, we will have the easiest solution of this. And I know the solution is really easy for many. So, lot of answers have already come in. Very, very good. Need to see who gave the answer correct first up. Okay, Abhitata is first one. Tushar is there already. Okay, set is Smart Learning SSL. Welcome. Some institutes also watching these live streams and getting benefited. I'm sure you are going to publicize these channel videos, in your institutes also. As I welcome Ram Smaji and then Vinod Kaushal, Bindu, Durga, some new names on the channel. I'm very happy for, after watching this, that new people are joining in and taking interest in the channel. That is very, very interesting and heartening to see. That's what we work for, that's what we aim for. We should have different audience and new audience which get benefited by these videos. Okay, so let's not spend more time on this one, because there's only one answer which I've got, that is 215. Okay, so if you increase all the numbers by 1, so if you add this, add 1 to this will be 1, add 1 to this will be 8, add 1 27, add 1 64, add 1 125. So what are these? This is a simple series of cubes: 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube. So next number will be 6 cube, which is 216, and 1 less than that, this will give you 215 as the answer, which is the exact answer which is given by so many of you. So friends, very, very well done this one, and this was really, really easy. But all the same, getting a single answer is always good. Okay, so who gave the correct answer first up? Yeah, Raghavendra, very well done. Raghavendra, 215, and then Pardu Pavan, and some new names, coming up very, very, quietly. They have climbed up the stairs here and come up to the top. And then we have Lakshay, Ashwin, and M. Yosit. Okay, M. Yosit, Tushar Chauhan, and children tutors. Okay, some tuition centers joining in here. Welcome everybody on the channel, and I hope you get benefited by these videos, these live streams. And if you do, just click the subscribe button and the bell icon also for getting the notifications. And a lot of PDFs available on the channel. Just have my WhatsApp number, and if you want such kind of PDFs of short tricks, you can use this WhatsApp number, 9896369963. This is the WhatsApp number. You need to put a message and acquire those PDFs, which will be provided to you on WhatsApp itself or on email. Okay, so I've announced the name of all the people who got that answer correct. Let's have the third question now. Now the degree of difficulty of questions obviously is going to increase now, so be careful. Everything is not going to be so easy which I've given right now. These are the ice-breaking questions. So okay, question number 3 for today. Let's have slightly difficult one now. Slightly only. Okay, 9, 14. So we have 24, 34, 54. So next number you have to tell me. Okay. Be careful here. Question is looking easy, but it is not that easy. So you need to give me the response, explanatory response, why you think that a particular answer is there. As I say hello to Aman Kumar, who has joined in just now, and then Faizan, Irshad, and Shalu Chadda, Shri Shali, Rishabh Bahoria, Parvati. So some very good people, new names who have joined in for this live stream. Okay, I need a reply in explanation, way, why you think that a particular answer has come up here. Okay, somebody is saying 74, others are saying 94, and others are saying 104. Okay, that's very interesting. Now this is going to be very, very interesting. When I analyze this question, some people are getting going to get a shock. So let's hope that one of the answers which we have obtained is correct. Let's hope, but it's not always like that. So be careful, don't copy the answer. Just think about this question, what rule you have adopted to give me that answer. I need the rule also, friends. So if you can just let me know the rule for this one, that will be great. Without rule, it's like guesswork, because other 14 is 24, that is 10 and makes 34, and then 20 is 54, and then add 32. Okay, uh, can't see a good logic there, so you need to think something else. Lakshya. Okay, can't find any logic still. Nobody has given me an explanatory, satisfactory solution to this one. Okay, Devashish Pandey, all the best to you, and I know you will do it. A lot of work goes into preparation of competitions, so you need to spend hours and hours together. As I welcome Pappu Yadav and Manu SN, Kriti Singh, Pratham Vasist, Monica Badlani, Devashish Pandey. Very, very good. I'm so happy that new people are joining in for the live stream. So welcome to this live stream of reasoning questions, and I'll give you explanatory answers of 10 important reasoning questions. These are all previous year questions of all prominent exams, government exams. So, okay. So nobody has given me a particular way of answering this. So I'll tell you how I have framed this question. And if you feel that you thought that way, it's okay. But the main solution, the explanatory part of that, which I thought is just try this series which I am writing here. Okay. 5 times primes minus 1. Just check this rule and let me know the answer now. 5 times primes minus 1. So the primes start with 2. So just put 2 here, you will get 9, and just carry on changing the next primes and let me know the answer now. Because very less correct answers have come up for this particular question. But I can understand, the difference in opinion you might have for this question. That is because uh, rule might change and you may think that your rule is correct. Okay, so you have done it previously. That's great. So I think this is a previous year question, of SSC exam. So if you have done the previous year papers, you might confront such questions in various books and on the internet also. Okay, so 64 now, that is the answer I'm getting. Still a lot of people giving the wrong answer. Please check, friends. I've written the exact rule on the board, and that is the rule you need to apply to get to the answer. So if you have still not found that exclusive answer, then you can go for this one. Okay, so answer which I'm getting now is the answer which many of you did not give, and the answer for this question is indeed 64. Okay, how did we get 64? Let's see. See, 5 times primes minus 1. So first prime is 2, second prime is 3, third prime is 5, fourth prime is 7, next prime is 11, and the next prime is 13. Okay, so let's see the series now. This is 10 minus 1, 9, 15 minus 1, 14, 25 minus 1, 24, 35 minus 1, 34, Okay, this is 55 minus 1, 54, and then 13 by the 65 minus 1, 64. And see the series which I have given you: 9, 14, 24, 34, 54, 64. So it's not a question of difference of numbers, consecutive numbers. Rather, it's a question of the operations on the primes. So prime numbers are very important when it comes to the number series problems. Okay, more than 45 people watching this live stream and only 20 people liking the video. I don't know, friends. Just give it a like, friends. I just want everybody to give it a like, right? Because it takes a lot of time to prepare all these questions and bring it to you. Okay, fine. Let's have the fourth question for today, and we will announce the name or names of the people who gave me the correct answer for this one. Okay, who came up with the answer 64 first up, because a lot of answers after I told the rule, but if anybody came up with the answer 64 before, no, it was 74, 94, then 104, then 84 also. Okay, great. Okay, and then again 104, all wrong answers there. Okay, I think Rishikesh Padnekar, that's the person who gave the answer for this one, the first person to give me answer 64. And after that, Ivano Oruan, very well done, Ivano, and Tushar Chauhan. These were the top three people. After that, I told the rule, and that's why a lot of correct answers came up when I told just apply this rule and tell me the answer. Okay, great. Never mind about the dislikes, likes. uh, there are some competitors who come in to disturb this live stream, so never mind, carry on. The social media is one thing, you can't avoid these people. So let's carry on with the exact purpose with which we are here. Okay, this is another question of primes. I've given you a hint. So 1 2 2 4 2, be careful, don't hurry. Let's have the answer now. Fine. What comes next? So I've given you 8 terms. You need to tell me the ninth. So just let me know what comes next. And I would appreciate if you give me the reason also. Because without reason, it will be a guess. And I don't want anybody to guess here. Okay, the prominent answer which I'm getting right now is 4. And may I know the reason for that? So I know there are only 2s and 4s in this question. I already told you that the question is based on primes. Okay, nobody willing to give me the explanation there. See, 2s and 4s. Again, so many of you saying 2 and others are saying 4. I'll tell you the explanation of this one, and you will then realize that this is a very, very easy question. And if you get it wrong, then you have only yourself to blame. Aman Kumar is saying 31. Okay. So where's the explanation? Okay, 8. Right. Aman Kumar saying 8. Little Gummy 34, that is Vihan saying 6. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 31. So many answers. Now this is going to be really, really interesting. Just stay tuned for this one, because I know lot of people have got it wrong here, and there is no explanation coming up for this one. That's more heartening to see that. Okay, only one explanation coming there, but 9 and 7, I don't know what 9 comma 7 means. So where is the next uh, part of that explanation? Because I can't see the exact explanation there. Okay, so let's carry on, friends, because can't be waiting for more than that here. Okay, now see, I told you this also concerns primes. So what are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, there is no 9, right? 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 25, 27, 29, and then we have 31 and so on. So these are the prime numbers. Now, how is this question related to this? How does one come? See the difference of these two. 3 minus 2 is 1. And now carry on like this. 5 minus 3 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. 11 minus 7 is 4. 13 minus 11 is 2. 17 minus 13 is 4. 19 minus 17 is 2. 23 minus 19 is 4. So what's the next number? Now you will tell me the correct answer now. Just post the answer and appreciate this question, friends. This is a simple question, yet so many wrong answers for this one. So who is getting the answer right now? So those who have answered 2 or 4, they can correct their answer. If you want to delete it, I'll give you a chance to delete it, right? Because if you delete your wrong answers, then obviously I'll have less answers to see. Okay, now you can see the number of 6s which are coming now, and that's the answer which I was expecting. 29 minus 23, this is 6. So the answer for the question is 6. All the 2s and 4s here, so everybody tends to think that there is another 2 or another 4 coming up in the question after this, but it is not like that. This is 6. The difference of next two primes, 29 and 23, consecutive differences. Okay, so Bindu Durga, thanks for that. Yeah, Aman, I saw that, but I didn't purposefully I didn't comment on that. I didn't want to give others a hint. Okay, so where's the answer? 6. All the wrong answers there in the world, and the first right answer came from Vihan again. Little Gummy 34. Vihan with the correct answer 6. Very well done, friend. And after that, lot of, and he gave the reason also there, difference between consecutive primes. Big thumbs up for you, Vihan, there. And who is there with the correct answer next? Ritesh Singh. Okay, great. I've seen you only this in this live stream, Ritesh. So very well done. And you were there with the answer in a flash, and lot of wrong answers coming in. And I miss that. You gave the correct answer. Okay, where's the third correct answer? Abhi Tatha Roy. Great. And then Harmannat Singh and Hardik and Sumati Saha, Yogesh Patel all came up with the answer after I gave the explanation of that particular question. So top 3 people who gave the correct answer for this one, big thumbs up for you all for getting that right, because this was not easy. It was little difficult because all the 2s and 4s, and we suddenly get the answer 6 in the next step. Unless and until you crack the rule, you cannot tell me the correct answer. So that's the beauty of analytical reasoning. So let's have the next question. This is question number 5 for today. Very good live stream going on, and I expect all of you who have joined in today only to share the live link. Still you can share it. 6 more questions to come, and I'm sure many of your friends can join in and get benefited by these live streams which I conduct. Okay, so let's have the next one. Root 18. This is then root 50. The next one is root 98, root 162, root 242, root 338. So what next? Okay, now again you need to be careful, friends. I can just give you a caution. that the question is little tactical and you need to be careful here. So don't hurry up. Just convince yourself that whatever answer you have given is correct and then answer it. Okay, so I need the answer in the perfect square root because everything is in square root. So you need to give the answer in perfect square root. This is for those who are not giving the answer in square root. Okay, some explanations also coming in. 450, 550, 13 root 2, multiples of 16. Okay, then 450 and 550. So many people answering that particular, answer. So again, a lot of variation in the answers coming up already, and that makes the question all the more interesting. Okay, root 450, root 550, root 552. Okay, number of responses are increasing, and there are variable responses for this question as well. Okay, 364 by Raj Kamal, Ashok Kumar. Welcome to the channel. Um, I hope you learn a lot of things on these live streams and you share the live link with your friends. So I'll just give you the details of the PDFs which we have bought out on the channel. This is PDF number 1. We have 30 short tricks for mental multiplication. This is PDF 1. This is very, very good for competitions. And we have another PDF 2. This is 30 short tricks again for squares, square roots, cubes, and cube roots. So you can see all the short tricks in these 2 PDFs. You have to just send me a message on WhatsApp number 9896369963. I'll send you the PDF, and let me tell you that there is a very, very small cost associated with the PDF. So all those who are interested in developing a lightning speed of faster calculation, mental calculation using mental mathematics techniques, all the techniques are combined in a single PDF of 30 short tricks for mental multiplication and 30 short tricks for square, square roots, cubes, and cube roots, and lot many PDFs to come in future also. So those who have joined today only, they can send me a message on 9896369963 and get benefited by these small PDFs. Very, very nominal cost. All the PDFs, when I have bought out all the PDFs, combined together, it will just be the cost of a book. So you can pay in installments and then get to all the short tricks. You will have a nice compilation. You won't find that compilation anywhere on the net or anywhere in the libraries. Okay, so let's see the answer for this one. Now what I've done here is, starting from 3, I have selected some odd numbers, and then I am multiplying that by root 2. I hope you are able to comprehend what I've said just now. What I'm doing is, this is, if you factorize this, this is 9 into 2. So 9 comes out. So 3 root 2. This is 25 into 2. So 5 root 2. This is 49 into 2. So 7 root 2. If you separate out 2 here, we have 81. So 9 root 2. If you separate 2 out here, so we have 121. So 11 root 2. If you separate 2 here, we have 169. That is 13 root 2. So now you can see the pattern: 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. So we'll have 15 root 2 next up. and when it goes inside, it becomes 15 square. So under root 225 into 2, and the answer which I was expecting for the question is under root 450. Now this is the answer for the question with the explanation of the phenomena which is, or the rule which is involved in making this question. So under root 5 450, that was the answer I was expecting. And where is the first correct answer? So a lot of wrong answers for this one also. Analytical reasoning is like that only. So where is root 40, root 450, I'm sorry. Okay, some people are deleting that answer first up. I want root 450 as the answer. And Ashwin Sabation, okay, Ashwin, you got it right first up, I think, if I'm not wrong there, because root 550 was the answer before that, and Avdesh did not write root there. Okay, so root 15 root 2 or root 450. Well done, Ashwin. And then who is the next one? Square root 450. Rachri Soni. Very well done, Rachri. And then we have Ashok Kumar, one new friend joining in and answering that one. And then we have Tushar Chauhan, the familiar person on the channel. And after that, the fifth answer, okay, came from, where is that? Drishya Tavra. Okay, 15 root 2. That was indeed correct, but root 450 was more appropriate. I give the credit to you all the same. So this was the fifth question, friends. And I've announced the name of the top 5 people. Very well done, friends. Okay, let's see the next one. And all those, I've written the details of the PDFs which are available right now. One PDF very shortly, HCF, LCM and rational numbers PDF is going to come very soon. So you can stay tuned for that. And let's have the sixth question for today. A very simple question again. 4 upon 5, 9 upon 11, 8 upon 7, 11 upon 13. And then we have 3 upon 13. Let's write 3 upon 11, okay, and 7 upon 9. Now you need to tell me which is the odd one out, and why. Which is the odd one out and why? Very easy question. Really very easy question. So let's see if anyone can get this one correct. And those who have not clicked the like button, they can do it, please, and get on with the live stream of these amazing questions of analytical reasoning, in which I have given you some number series problems and some questions of odd one out. So everybody will get benefited by these questions. So let's have the explanatory answer to this one also. See, 3-4 different answers already. Okay, I need to see which one of that is correct, because a lot of variation in the answers coming up already. So where's the correct answer? I need the explanations, friends, because without explanation it will be like a guesswork. Okay, so I think I need to now get on with this one because lot of answers have already come in, and some different opinions there. You can just scrutinize the opinions which I'm getting on the channel, and accordingly you can judge whether your answer is correct or not. Okay, so let's see the correct answer for this one. The correct answer for this one is, you know it, right? 8 upon 7. And why it is 8 upon 7? Because others are proper fractions. Only 8 upon 7 is an improper fraction. The numerator is greater than the denominator. And in all others, just watch, 4 is less than 5, 9 is less than 11, 11 is less than 13, 3 is less than 11, 7 is less than 9. But in case of 8 upon 7, numerator is greater than the denominator. So very simple logic, right? So 8 upon 7 comes out to be the answer of this question. Okay, where's the correct answer? Where is the first person to give me the correct answer? This was 8 upon 7, and lot of answers for this one. And the first correct answer, 8 upon 7, came from Abhitatha Roy again. And Abhitatha Roy, all the wrong answers were coming in front of you, 3 upon 11, 7 upon 9, then all different answers. But you came up with the correct answer first up, followed by Tushar Chauhan and Kriti Singh. Three people there, consecutively, they gave me the correct answer for the question. So very, very good there. Abhitatha Roy, all appreciations for you. And we must all appreciate people who give the correct answer when there are very few correct answers, right? So these were the top three people. And after that, Sri Kanya, okay, Sri Kanya, Satupalli Sri Kanyas, 8 upon 7. That was indeed correct, and you got it correct too. I've seen you for the first time on the live stream, so a big welcome to you. And I hope you carry on watching these live streams, and every day we bring it to you at 8:15 p.m. And a lot of questions of SSC exams, and then previous year other kind of government exams, they are undertaken in this. So after that, Vihan also getting it correctly, and then Tushar Chauhan giving me the reason for that, and then Shanti Murali getting that correct. So after that, lot of right answers, but top 5 or 6 people who gave me that correct answer were these people. So a big round of applause for these students who gave the correct answer here. Okay, so let's see the question number 7 now. Okay, next question is, okay, again you need to find the odd one out, and believe it or not friends, very, very interesting question. And don't hurry, please stay tuned, don't hurry. That is the caution for this question. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97. Now, which is the odd one and why? Let me know. I want the odd one out here, and why. Lot of people will get this one correct only if you know the logic. Otherwise, this is going to trouble you. This question is very common question in competitions, and you must know. Everybody must know. So all those who have joined in today only, just see. You can see the channel full of short tricks for faster calculations. The first PDF which I shared with my subscribers is 30 short tricks for mental multiplication. Everything can be multiplied orally, even 7-digit numbers by a 7-digit number orally, yes, through this 30 short trick PDF. And after that, 30 short trick PDF for squares, square roots, cubes, cube roots, everything you can do in a single step using this PDF. If you want to acquire these PDFs, is minor cost associated with this, that of a burger, right? And just send a message on WhatsApp 9896369963. This is the number you need to use for procuring these PDFs of short tricks. Lot more PDFs to come up in future also. Okay, great. So some answers already coming in, and people answering with reason. They are very, very heartening to see there, but a lot of time taken by so many people to get to the answer. And indeed, that is really helpful when somebody gives me the explanation, and it gives a hint to others also who are watching, that, oh, you didn't get it in the mind. Okay. Yeah, Aman, Vihan is really rocking, and Little Gummy 34. That's the ID you need to be aware of. Everybody on the channel, he's really, really working hard on his skills. And He's been following the channel for long now, and he's developed amazing speed of calculations. So if even you want to develop, just acquire these PDFs, friends. This is something very, very important for everybody. So all those who have just joined, just read this message of acquiring the PDFs of faster calculations. Whether you are a student or a teacher or a person preparing for competitions, government exams, this is a must. You will not find this in books. You will not find it on the internet. You will find it only here on this channel, Suresh Agarwal's Mathematics Shortcut. This is the channel you're watching, and you're getting benefited by all these short tricks. Okay, so the correct answer there came up with from so many people, and the correct answer indeed is 97. Why? Because 97 is the only prime number among all these non-primes. 91 is divisible by 13 and 7. 92 obviously is a even number divisible by 2. 93 is divisible by 3. 94 is an even number divisible by 2. 95 is divisible by 5, and 96 is an even number divisible by 2. Only 97 is a prime number. So all those who did not get it right, just click the like button, friends. I'm sure this question must have been amazing for all of you. Okay, so who was the first person to give me the correct answer here? 97. Very interesting to note here. The first correct answer came from Vihan again, and Tushar Chauhan, Lakshay, all prominent names. Okay, you're not giving a chance to anybody to be in the top 3, right? And the fourth correct answer came from Kamla Lamba, along with the reason. Very, very well done, Kamla Lamba there. And I think I've seen you for the first time on the live stream. So you can click the subscribe button, and alongside you have, on one side, you have the bell icon. Click the bell icon for getting the notifications. And on the other side, you have the join button. If you want to get paid videos, paid PDFs, then you can click the join button, follow the procedure, and you will have a lot of PDFs. You won't be spending rupees 49. You have to take the channel membership and get access to all those PDFs, which I usually give on a minor cost. Okay, so these were the top people, and after Kamla, let me announce one or two more names. Vara Prasad, where have you been? And Kandim Parekh, Abhi Tatha, Kandim and Vara Prasad. I was looking for you in the top names today. Finally I found you. So great. So this was the 7th question for today. Very, very amazing question. Okay, Renan Martin. Okay, some Aman asking me for some English queries also. Okay, let's have the next question, friends. Can't be indulging into that conversation because people find time to come here and practice all these questions. Let's have the next one. Okay, a tough one now. 991. So I've already told you a tough one. 721. The next one is 505. Next is 337. So I'll give you one more, 211, and you have to tell me the next one. So let's see who gets this one correct. I tell you, this is a tough one. Okay, so all appreciations for Vihan, Tushar, and Abhitatha. They are the really rocking ones on the channel. They've really shown that how much a person can improve when it comes to mental calculations and speed of cracking the rules of such number series problems and finding the odd one out. Okay, so this is a question of number series. Just let me know what comes in place of the question mark along with the reason if possible, friends. So just waiting for some answers to come in for this one, because I can see very less answers. I know it's a tough one and everybody is thinking. So a lot of deletions going on there. 991 is already the first one. Divanshu, Anisha Bajaj, some new names there on the channel. I hope you have subscribed the channel, friends, and you are getting benefited by all these. And just click the bell icon for getting the notifications on your mobile so that you don't have to depend on others for entering into the live streams. So 120, 5 cube minus 5. Okay, Ashwin is giving me some reason also there. 5 cube minus 5. Okay, 120 is the answer which Ashwin is giving. Along with the reason, you can check that, friends. 991 is the first answer which I've got. After that, 101, 127, 337, 119. No unanimity there. I expected this. This is a tough one. And obviously, this is the 8th question for today. So it has to be a tough one. So 121 is gaining majority now. 125 also. And then any other answers, friends? So Kritya Singh, Vihan, and Rajshri, Divanshu, Avdesh, everybody saying 121. Can you give me a reason for that, friends? Because I need to see how you have obtained that correct answer. So 121 is indeed the correct answer, which I was expecting for the question. But how did you get it? I want the reason for this one. So anybody who can help me out with the reason? I think Ashwin is giving me some reason there. 5 cube minus 5. 5 cube minus 5 is 120, Ashwin. Okay. Avdesh, 6 cube minus 5. 6 cube is 216. 216 minus 5 is 211. There we have 211 already there. With double difference, Kriti Singh. Okay, great. So that is very smart, Kriti Singh. I must appreciate that answer. Double difference is something everybody should be aware of when it comes to solving these questions of a number series. Double difference series is a very, very common rule in cracking these type of questions. Okay, so general rule given to me by Rajshri Soni there, x cube minus x minus 1. Okay, great. I must appreciate some people here, they are thinking beyond me also. Very okay, Drishyatavra. Oh, I'm sorry for that. If you if you feel that if I call it difficult, I think that's a challenge for everybody. So that's a kind of motivation which I try to provide to all of you. Okay, let's see the solution now. See, this number 991 is very close to 1000. So if you see, this is 1000 minus, and 1000 is 10 cube, and 9 obviously let it in only. Let's see the next one now. 721 is very close to 729, and 729 is 9 cube. So this is 729 minus 8. So this is 9 cube minus 8. Now can you see a pattern here? 10 cube, 9 cube. So expected that the next number should be 8 cube and 9, 8, 7. So what is 8 cube? 8 cube is 512. 512 minus 7. Obviously, it is 505. And there we have the rule, friends. And now you can crack it. And Rashish Soni, you were just amazing there. X cube minus x minus 1. That's the answer I was expecting. And that's a very, very good answer. Very good answer. So everybody give a thumbs up to Rashish Soni there. Okay. But I'll announce the name of the people who got it correct first up. That was a general rule which I was expecting from someone. And there we have one person giving me that rule. Okay. So 10, 9, 8, then 3 done. Okay, then this is 7 cube 343 minus 6. So 7 cube minus 6, then 6 cube 216 minus 5. So 6 cube minus 5. So now you can see the pattern: 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, and 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So here is the answer of this question: 125 minus 4, which is 121. That's the correct answer I was expecting. And so many of you got it correct. I'm so glad for everybody there. Okay, Tanish, welcome on the channel, and I hope you enjoy these live streams and learn a lot of things. There are people here who teach also. There are institutes, there are people who are trying to build up an amazing speed of calculation, and they are willing to help all the people who are coming on the channel. So give it a like if you like this video. Give it big like on the channel and all the videos if you find them beneficial. Okay, where is the first correct answer? 121 was the answer I was expecting, and initially I had a lot of wrong answers coming there, and the first correct answer 121 came from Ashwin Sebastian. Okay, Ashwin, I think you came up with that correct answer once before also in one of the questions. So big thumbs up for you. And that was really quick. And after that we have Vihan again. Very very well done, Vihan. I'm tired of taking your name now, and and everybody on the channel knows you now. So Little Gummy 34, our own Little Gummy 34. Okay, Kriti Singh, very well done. Rajshri Soni, that was the name I wanted to, highlight there. And then we have Divanshu getting that right, and Abdesh Pandey. These were the top people who gave me the correct answer. But see the explanation given by Rajshri Soni there. X cube minus x minus 1. That was the exact answer. That was the general form of the rule which I have used to frame this question. And this question is not taken from anywhere. I formulated it myself and I got the rule from one of you. Okay, let's have the question number 9 now. So those who have joined just now, they can see the availability of PDFs on the channel. 30 short tricks for mental multiplication and 30 short tricks for square roots, cubes and cube roots. Everything can be done in a single step, no matter how long the calculation is. Just WhatsApp 9896369963. That is a number you need to send a message on. Okay, let's have the next question. This is the 9th question for today, and again a difficult one, but I know there are people who come up with the answer very quickly. Okay, 518, 48, 100, 180 to 94, and what next? Okay, so I can expect now correct answer for any question, because everybody is so brilliant here. Yeah, are they a little silly mistake there? Don't worry, mistakes are a part of practicing this mathematics. So don't worry about the mistakes. Just learn and try to eliminate those mistakes. So where is the first answer, and who is going to give me the first correct answer? So a lot of people trying out, and better than participation is like better than yesterday. And I hope someday we'll have 150 people participating in the live streams and getting benefited. So for that, I need the support of good people like you who join in every day, and they keep on motivating me also, and they keep on sending me WhatsApp messages that what are the topics I need to focus on. That helps me a lot. So your feedback is really useful and valued. So is there anyone who can help me out with the rule of this one? So where's the first correct answer? Lot of answers. 448 is the prominent answer which I'm getting, and I knew that many of you are going to give me a particular answer now, and that 448 is the prominent answer I'm getting, and must be correct because so many of you have given that answer. So can anyone help me out with the rule also? I would appreciate greatly if I can get a rule for that. Yeah, somebody there who can help me out with the rule. Okay, so I think I need to solve it now, because a lot of people have already given the answer for this one, and a lot of discussion going on whether that is correct or not. Okay, so what is the exact thing which I thought? Abhitatha Roy is giving me an explanation for that one. Okay, see, if you take squares and cubes, 2 cube minus 2 square. This is 9 minus 4, which is 5. Then move on to the next number. This is 3 cube minus 3 square, which is 27 minus 9, 18. Move on to the next number. 4 cube is 64 minus 4 square is 16. So 64 minus 16 is 48. Likewise, if you see 100, this is 5 cube minus 5 square. 125 minus 25, which is 100. Then 6 cube minus 6 square. 216 minus 36, which is 180. Then again we have 7 cube minus 7 square. This is 343 minus 49, which is 294. And what is the answer for the question? You have the next one as 8 cube minus 8 square. So this is 512 minus 64. And the correct answer which I was expecting for the question, 448. So that's the rule for this question. Difference of cubes and squares of natural numbers starting from 2, right? And I need to appreciate people who got this one correct. 448. The answer 448 came from none other than Tushar Chauhan again. So, really amazing, every day he comes in and dominates the show. And Avdesh Pandey, you've been very, very good today. I must appreciate you. And Lakshay is always there. Prakash Kolkar, one new name on the channel. So big welcome to you, Prakash. And I hope you get benefited by all the live streams which I usually come up at 8:15 p.m. every day. Okay, then we have Abitatha Roy, great. And then Prasann Kumar, another prominent, new name there on the channel. Some new names joining in today. And thanks to all those who bought them here. And I request you that in every live stream we should have some new names joining the channel and subscribing the channel, so that we have more motivation, more time I can devote for the live streams. I would like to give you 15-20 questions also at a stretch, but with a viewership more than 100. Let's see whether you can fetch me those many live viewers or not. Okay, so these were the top people who gave me the correct answer. And now let's have the 10th question. This must be the final question for the live stream today, the 10th one. So let's see the question now. I'll give you a question which troubled so many people, and this was asked in one of the competitions, and on analysis of the paper you will find that this was a basic question, but again lot of people got it wrong. Now why what was the reason that most of the people got it wrong? See, we need to see. Okay, the question goes like this: 0. So first up we have the 0, then 24, then 80. So be careful, friends, don't hurry. Let me just write the question. 168, after that 288, and I know many of you are up to it now. 440. So what next? So let's see whether you can get this one. Again, a very, very easy question, but again, you need to be little careful not to fumble here, because it's very easy to be, fumbling on this question. Okay, so G Walid, welcome to the channel, and you're watching from Bangladesh, and I hope you get benefited by all these videos. If you want to acquire these PDFs, then you can just send me a message on WhatsApp. I'll let you know. From other country also you can purchase these PDFs. 30 short tricks for mental multiplication, and then 30 short tricks for finding the squares, square roots, cubes, cube roots, all in a single step. You won't find these short tricks, compiled short tricks, in a single PDF, friends. So I prompt everybody to go for them. Very, very less cost associated with them. Okay, some answers already coming in, but you can see the difference of opinion there. Somebody deleting also. Some answers are being deleted. Friends, this is the final question for today. If you've not clicked the like button on this video, kindly do that. And I'm sure you're going to be benefited greatly by watching all these videos today. So let's see where are the correct answers for this. Okay, so let's see now the solution of this one. A lot of descriptions have also come up, and the simplest possible way of solving this is, can you see that they are all one less than the square numbers? So let's see the square numbers first. So if you add 1 to all these numbers, you will have a greater insight into what exact method is to be followed to get to the answer of this one. So this is 1, this is 25, this is 81, this is 169, this is 289, and this is 441, right? So 1 is 1 square, this is 5 square, this is 9 square, this is 13 square, 17 square, and 21 square. So what is the numbers on the basis here? 1, 5, 9, 13, 17, 21. A difference of 4. So 1, 5, 9, 13, 17, 21. Difference of 4 means next will be 25 square. And 25 square is 625. But this is not the answer. Answer is always 1 less than that because we have added 1 to that. So your answer for the question is 625 minus 1. That is 624. So where's the first correct answer? Now I want the first correct answer. Where is that? Okay. And lot of correct answers I can see, and but a lot of wrong answers also in this. Avdesh Pandey, very well done. The final question, you were rocking there, Avdesh Pandey, and big thumbs up for you there. And Avdesh Pandey, 25 square minus 1, that was answer he gave, and along with that explanation, very, very nice. Amazing speed, even I can't do that in so much less time. And then Tushar Chauhan, always there, rocking friend. And then Hardik, you got it right, and it was Hardik's request today of this live stream of reasoning questions. So Hardik, this is for you. And then we have Satpalli Srikanya, very good, and I think you have joined in only today, and you were very good. So do join in tomorrow also. And then Prasann Kumar, another new name, and then Abhidatha Roy. These were the 5 or 6 people, top people who got the answer for this one correctly. So final time, friend, I'll just let you know this is something for you at very nominal cost. All PDFs of short tricks compiled in one PDFs. So if you want to acquire them, this is my WhatsApp number, and just send me a message. I'll just tell you the process of paying the small amount and getting to those PDFs. So friends, that's it from me for today. I hope you have enjoyed attending this live stream as much as I enjoyed bringing it to you. Right? So Dr. Suresh Agarwal signing off for today. I hope this will benefit you a great deal. Good night. Stay blessed, everybody.